Hey, this is Graeham Watts with Intera Real Estate, just giving you the latest update on the City of East Palo Alto business licensing fee that they are now implementing. In case you missed this, you need to watch my other video on the East Palo Alto business license fee. Last year, they did a brief amnesty program where they actually had this law on the books for a while. And now they are implementing it, and if you miss that deadline, you will probably have to pay some penalties, so make sure you check in on it. But last year, the city was going by gross receipts and had kind of a tier program where if you made a certain amount, that was what you paid. Now it is just a flat 2.5% of your gross rents. So if you got this in the mail or if you didn't receive this, you need to make sure you contact city's business license department, which they outsource to another company, and that phone number is 650-223-7740. I'll throw it up on the screen here for you, and make sure you get this and you fill it out. Pretty straightforward. Basically, you put your total gross receipts right here times 2.5%. This is the amount you're going to pay. You add that number in here, any penalties, interest, any previous balance that you owe, which I don't for me. And then you have a $4 state fee here that you add, so your total amount is here, and you can write them a check, or you can fill this out and complete this online. Yep, it's 2.5% now, and that is your latest update on the City of East Palo Alto business licensing fee. Oh, and real quick, I forgot to mention, this is due February 1st, so make sure you get it out to them before then, or at least it's postmarked, or you go online and pay it before then. Any questions, message me below, give me a call, and I'm more than happy to help give you more information, and make sure you watch my other video on this.